Every time I come to Poland, for some reason or another, I end up picking potatoes. It's like this whole country is built on potatoes. But I have beer. And beer is important when you pick potatoes. Fun fact, vodka is made out of potatoes. And I like vodka, so I'm gonna help out. Here we go. This is the old beast that does the work. And all we need to do is collect. So here we go. Go, Lemmy, who's the fastest? You or Ciocia Malwina? Oi! Hey, that's pure vodka you're throwing at me.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, this is gold. Go, Lemmy, go, go, come on. Let's see how many you can do.
Oh.
Is Maniek helping?
Lemmy, do you
Dig.
know how far your father go today?
Huh?
Do you know how far your daddy go today?
4.5 kilometers I ran. Well,
You ran
he said
exactly to the church. Rest you walk.
shh, the vlog doesn't need to know that.
I know.
I run marathons, people.
At least your wife needs to know.
Loving Poland. Fresh raspberries. Dobre? Good? Very good. Done. Oh, took a while, but it's all done. If you need proof of climate change, 25 years ago, you would never have thought that there'd be snakes all the way up here in Poland, near Malbork. That's a shedded snake skin that they found in the yard. That's insane. Little bacons running around. Who wants to know? Oh yes. Little bacons. A long time ago we used to have cows in here. There were 3 cows. Now, just a few piggies and birds. Got bird nests.
I see you sinking in.
Roll down. We used to do this as kids, remember Malvina?
Yes, every single time.
Every single time. And then what happened every single time? We got in a lot of trouble. Look at it, come on, who's gonna be to the top first? Like on the snow. Roll down, just roll down. Oh, look at Emma. Oh, that's hilarious.
We have to hide.
So I got the quad bike today from my uncle. Every time I come to Poland I borrow this big quad bike from him, and I thought I'd come out to our old field just to have a look, and I bumped into some deer, so you'll see some video of that. But I wanted to show you real quickly how stunning is the scene here. I'm gonna stand up on the quad. Look at this. Peaceful, serenity. Why would you want to be anywhere else? Absolutely stunning. I'm pretty lucky today. Got to see a combine in action with the corn. Probably one of the best things living on a farm is seeing this sort of stuff. So the corn, I'll put the drone video up in a second for the corn. Emma, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Tap on it. It's very cool.
What are you doing, Emma? No, you don't touch it. No, no, no.
I found a potato.
More potatoes. Haven't you had enough potatoes?
Maybe.
Emma, what should people do?
Potato.
Yeah, subscribe, like and share, right? Right? This is what they're cutting. It's industrial corn, what they make feed out of for the pigs. So you can't really eat it. Yeah. Go on, try to bite it.
No.
Why not?
You have to cook it.
No, you don't cook it. Yeah.
Really?
No, just one, let me. I dare you. See if you can do it.
If I do it.
Yep. Just bite it, stop talking.
I do it.
You won't be able to do it.
Oh, Daddy! Emma! 1, 2, 3. Come on. Emma.
Oh.